here is winter storm warning information for the following areas in Maine, Androscoggin, Franklin, northern Oxford, and in New Hampshire, northern Coas. What? Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations between 4 and 7 inches. Where? In New Hampshire, northern Coas County. In Maine, Androscoggin, Franklin, northern Oxford, and counties. When? From 1 p.m. Saturday to 11 a.m. Sunday. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult due to low visibility and snow-covered roads. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for southwest Maine, including the cities of Portland, Kittery,